Here to Shay. Another house in the neighborhood.
Yay!
Ain't she a beauty?
She is not.
The house itself has a decent amount of curb appeal considering it's been abandoned for a very long time.
It doesn't look so bad.
This is 1,000 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah,
It
it's a
does look
decent
fairly
size.
long. I do appreciate that it is a tree-lined block. I love that it's in the neighborhood where a lot of your other homes are. It's close to the university.
Yeah.
I like that.
It'll be a cute little starter house. I want to do new siding, new windows, new coil.
Yeah, the
new
exterior on this
gutters.
one's gonna be a little pricey.
Yeah. Inside, though, is also going to be pricey.
How much did you guys pay for this place?
We paid $6,900.
Okay.
$6,900 is definitely the most I would have paid for this. Let your imagination run wild with that statement.
Okay, I'm excited.
All right,
Yay.
let's do it.
Yay.
1,000
Yay.
square feet of turds.
And tires.
And tires. Now be careful, this last step is quite treacherous.
She's a doozy.
All right, here we go. Woo!
Oh,
Sometimes.
this house is disgusting.
Woo!
Oh, my goodness grief.
Come on.
How on earth?
They can't open the door because the floor is
Oh,
buckled.
my goodness. I mean, seriously, it's like every old tire in the city of Detroit has been dumped in this living room. There's a lot happening here. This is obviously a chop shop. It's giving me like some serious bad juju. Ooh.
Poor Shay. You would think after all this time that she would have
Get
just
used to it.
desensitized by it, but it doesn't seem to be happening. It seems like it's going the other direction.
It does seem that way.
The one thing that I really dislike about this living room, it's just very small.
It's so narrow.
It's so narrow.
It makes it very difficult to decorate something like this, you know? The dining room is of a more ample size.
Keith, I wouldn't touch anything in
I
this
would
house.
not touch
We're gonna have to do the
anything in
sage and like frankincense and stuff.
I don't like it. I don't like this house.
Here, let's go check out the kitchen. So the kitchen is really small.
This is one of the smallest functioning kitchens.
How is this a kitchen? Where do you put the
It
stuff?
doesn't go anywhere.
You have to have some cabinetry, a stove.
This is the only
a
thing that was
refrigerator.
counter space was this sink thing. That's very bizarre.
It's like, where did the fridge go? Where does the stove go? It is weird.
We'll have to figure out how to fix this because this is not the greatest.
I can tell you that.
Come on, Shay.
I'm coming.
So here's the bathroom.
Oh, it's small.
Here's a bedroom.
It's not the tiniest room. The ceiling height is nice, the window's good. Anyway, let us move on. Be careful, there's no handrail.
I realize that it's forcing me to touch these filthy walls. Oh,
This is pretty nice, right?
yes.
Yeah.
It's amazing how clean it is up here.
This will be a nice main suite up here. It'll be very big. You can have a bed and a desk and a sitting area, and then it's got a massive closet.
Oh, nice.
And then the other end of the room, there's kind of like this just open space.
So the question is, do we want to convert that to just like a living area? Do we want to use it as a bigger closet, or do we want to make it into a bathroom?
I mean, if it was a bathroom, that would be a huge selling feature. The one existing bath that's here is so tiny and so gross. Even once it's cleaned up and sparkly and pretty, I am concerned about the size of the bathroom. So to add a second full bath would be amazing, and it would be a huge selling point, which would make my job easier. If it's in the budget, I would say go for it.
What do you think we could sell this house for if it had an extra bathroom?
With the home selling in this area at $120 per square foot, I would say $120, maybe even $125, because then it would be a 3-2.
Yeah, okay. We'd have to keep the budget around 90 or below.
We could list it at $124,900, you know?
Yeah. That'd be pretty sweet. It's gonna take a good number of dumpsters. I'm guessing 12. Maybe
30
15.
yarders? 12, 30 yarders?
You know, you always underestimate it, I must say.
It's true.
All right, back to the trash heap.
Back to the trash heap. I'm gonna need some help navigating these stairs.
If you need any car bumpers, this house had like 20. These houses make me feel better about my hoarding. All right, so it's just brute strength.
Yeah. Everything is so solid. Crazy.
They were well built.
Have you thought more about how we can fix this?
Yeah, I have decided that we have to just take the chimney out.
Take the whole chimney out?
There's just no way to improve the functionality of this kitchen and create an ensuite upstairs with this giant chimney in the middle of the room. So it absolutely has to go.
Damn.
Can you grab the big sledge? It's in the car.
You have the mega sledge in play today with the chimney.
Mega sledge with my prom date's name.
Okay. You look totally out of control when you're doing it.
The thing weighs as much as I do. Ow!
Are you okay?
Oh, yeah. The mega sledge, she will take you on a ride, I tell you. You want big cracks and patches?
Patches.
Damn, I wanted patches.
The next steps for the rustic cabin are we have to finish drywall,
There's a lot. Drywall, flooring,
basically
exterior.
the whole house. And we don't have a lot of time to do it. How are we gonna make this living room look expensive when it's so tiny?
Oh man, I've got my job cut out for the styling on that. I am gonna add a fireplace for visual interest and a detail. We'll have the fireplace, it's a 42-inch, so it'll sit here, and then I want it to look, I don't want it to look like a cheap electric fireplace. So I'm gonna build in custom shelves. I'm going to do some pastoral paintings.
Pastoral or cabin-y?
Pastoral is cabin-y. You know, like you open the pasture and whatnot.
That's like farm.
No pasture.
Cabin's like a forest or a lake cabin.
I'm just gonna do some landscapes. Anyway, so it'll be a really cute living room. So this house definitely has its drawbacks, and really the biggest one is this very tiny living room, which of course is the very first room you walk into. But if we can create a cozy environment right when you walk in and kind of capture everybody in that cozy vibe, I think we're gonna be all right. We need this. If you can drop that, bring those, and bring one big piece. Really what this bathroom is turning out to be is a project in the kitchen as much as it is upstairs. To cover pipes, we're gonna build out the soffits above the cabinets, and then I'm also gonna add beams across the kitchen to give it that cozy cabin vibe, but also to hide one of the pipes. All right, one more time. Get a total measure. All right, 101 3/4 for this one. I'm struggling with this.
You would see this design in a very high-end kitchen, and we're trying to do it on a much lower budget.
The idea of the beams was my original, like, here's how I fix this in my head in the moment, but now that I'm facing reality, I've got to figure out what the hell I'm gonna do.
Keith, are you doing that tile?
Yep.
Yes. I love that.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
That's gonna be so cool.
Tile that is plaid. I've never seen anything like it. I mean, there's nothing cozier than plaid. Like a nice woolen plaid throw. That plaid tile is gonna be legit.
Hey.
It's a mess.
So good. I mean,
Chaotic.
a mess is what it was before. I would say this is a transformation. And that's the kitchen. It's open. I just remember the kitchen, it being closed in and it being really tiny. So you opened it up. Did you move the kitchen over this way?
Yeah,
Okay.
we did. That wall was about right here.
Wow.
So we're
Extra.
building our beams to hide our plumbing.
There's a lot of
It's
stuff
a mess
going on
today.
So do y'all need me to help? Cause
You want to build a beam? I haven't seen you do too much carpentry work.
see me cut something
I saw something once. I had to squint. All right, that's what it should have looked like.
Long like that?
Yeah. This is becoming a highly anticipated beam.
Oh, okay.
It's very tight.
It happens a lot in the construction world where you think this task is gonna be easy and then you realize all the little idiosyncrasies that you have to like fuss over and suddenly a beam is taking you 5 hours. Does it need to be splayed?
Yes. Play with me.
Once you get the first one up, then you kind of get in the groove and then they go a lot faster.
Yeah, it's going. All right, now I feel better about that. So the second one only takes 4 hours. It's definitely worth it to have that bathroom up there. Yay. It will be very beautiful. I must say, I haven't been this giddy in a while for an open house. Hurry up. Oh, wow, that's lovely as hell. Everywhere I turn, the detail is on point. The only room that's kind of like, meh, is the living room, but I think with what I'm doing, it should really elevate the look, and it'll kind of cozy it up a little bit.
Well, it's tight.
Yeah. Oh, I should have made this a wee bit bigger. Yeah. Oh.
All right. Does it turn on?
Ooh. Cozy.
All right, Keith, we are ready for the countertops now. Can you hold this down?
Look at that little wine rack. A fantastic butler's pantry. It's a nice house. I'm assuming Shay's gonna like it. I think it's really hard not to. It's coming together really, really nice. All we really have to do is just get it done.
Damn, this is not wanting to penetrate.
Can you hurry?
Okay.
This is walnut countertop. Very nice. That is really nice looking in there. I'm getting like a really great vibe about this house. It's just really elegant. I love it so much.
As usual, I mean, the guys came through. I was a little skeptical because there was so much that needed to be done. What? Oh my goodness. Keith, you have outdone yourself with this house. Oh my goodness. All I can say is wow. Adding that full bathroom adds another $5,000.
Nice.
So adding a room is $10,000, bathroom $5,000. So
Cha-ching.
I mean, we are already leveling up from the comps that we already have with it being 2-1. Now we have 3-2.
This is awesome.
Yes.
This is great.
Originally, I mentioned that we could probably only get $124 for this place. With this home being a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, there's a great possibility we can get $135.
I would like to live here very hard.
Well, you can't.
Please, Evan, let's move. The transformation on this house is literally, it's jaw-dropping from a car part and garbage heap to this very chic and cozy, like just
Up north, cozy cabin getaway.
like really, really good vibes.
We bought this house for $6,900. We have spent right around $90,000 on the reno, and we are listing it for $134,900.
Welcome, welcome. What do y'all think about this house?
Oh yeah, this fire. Okay.
I love the color. That's beautiful. And it doesn't look like any other house on the block.
Best looking house in the neighborhood for sure.
New doors, new windows, new roof.
Pretty much brand new everything.
Excited to see. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Oh my God, I love it! This is beautiful.
Wow. Oh, this is so nice.
Brought in lots of wood tones, lots of green.
Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. It's cozy.
For real. Like, give me a blanket, have a little tea time.
Or a little wine
A
time.
little warm time.
The dining room and kitchen combo really has transformed.
I love the memes in here.
Tiniest kitchen you've ever seen.
The guys opened it up. It just makes the space feel so much larger and brighter.
I'm loving this. This is bigger than my kitchen right now. And I love the cabinets.
Yeah, they did their thing.
They did that thing.
I gotta be my man.
Oh my goodness.
Little butler's pantry.
Oh yes. There's a lot of cabinet space.
Uppers and lowers, and the wine racks in there. Plus, we did the antique hutch to kind of give you some character.
I absolutely love this.
I love the details. Everything has a detail onto it, and I love that.
This is the first of 2 bathrooms.
Okay.
This is amazing.
Yeah, it was not very inviting.
Kept with the wood and the green and sort of the same tones in the tile.
The flooring speaks to me. What are you saying? You're saying, buy me, buy me. I'm coming back, don't worry. I got to see the rest of the house.
Let's go check out bedroom number 1.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
It's perfect for a kid's room or a guest room.
So this is not the main bedroom?
This is not the main bedroom now.
Wow.
Let's check out the main bedroom.
Yo, okay.
Oh, yeah, no, this room is really nice, Shay.
I agree. I mean, you have so much space up here.
I could do a cartwheel in here for sure. And I mean, I probably could get a little running start, you know?
Oh, my heart is taken. My heart is taken. I love this.
But the best thing about this house is the main bathroom.
And this gorgeous ensuite bath.
Woo, woo, yes!
Yo, okay.
Oh my God. I would just live in the bathroom. Oh my God, this is gorgeous.
Plaid tile.
Ooh, love it.
I can't believe it's 2 full baths.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not
I mean,
often.
you wouldn't think, because it doesn't even look that big on the outside.
There was a lot of really big energy at this open house. Everybody kept commenting on how large it felt, which
Even
was,
though it's not.
it's not, but you get that big vibe. I'm really proud of what we put out, and I'm really, really happy it all worked out the way it did.
Do you have plans of doing more houses in this neighborhood? Because you're doing a grand job.
Thank
We
you.
do,
yes.
actually,
You
yeah.
do?
Uh-huh.
Quite a few.
As long as there's houses here, we'll just keep doing them.